Hello and welcome. I'm Ashur Anam. Welcome to Heal Yourself, Heal the World series. Thanks for joining. Today is day 5 of the series. If you did not watch all of the previous days, then make sure to catch up. You can watch the replay anytime. And even after we end the program, officially, you can continue to watch the videos or listen to them with your eyes closed, and you can focus on integrating more of the healing energies. The videos will be available to you on the member page. They are also on YouTube. I'm posting them after each video is complete, so you can post or you can watch them on YouTube. And feel free to invite others so that they can watch and receive all the benefits. So on day 4, we played with the energies to focus on healing our soul journey, and it was a big day. Today, we will focus more on the global energies. We will focus on healing a lot of the global manipulation, power, and control energies that includes a lot of the large industries. So we can focus on shifting those energies, healing the people that are involved in those industries, and bringing in higher vibration for everyone, bringing in more love and joy for everyone, bringing in more collaboration and communication for everyone. And together, we can shift the energies on the planet and rise above any of these fear-based agendas or fear-based manipulation or just spreading fear. We can rise above all of these and diffuse those energies together. So when more of us come together and focus on shifting these energies and focus on what we truly desire, then we can invite those new options faster for all of us. Let's begin our day 5 journey and integration. Gently close your eyes, focus on your heart, and begin to breathe in and out. Let's bring up spiraling earth energies from the center of earth and allow those energies to come up through your lower chakras and your feet for grounding. Let's bring down the spiraling rays of the sun through your higher chakras and your crown. You are inside a vortex between the earth and the sun. Allow the energies to spiral through you up and down and gradually get stronger. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently. Let's journey back into the Amazon rainforest. Let's enter the rainforest in your mind as you travel. And I will take you to the spot where we created a healing wish vortex. Notice the ground. Notice the plants and trees. Notice the wildflowers. Notice the birds. Notice the air. Notice the waterfall and the stream around you. Notice with all of your sensations. Notice the healing vortex. It's even stronger than before. Tune into the spiraling healing vortex. Notice a gentle mist coming out of the vortex, and it spirals through you, through your body and your field. It goes to the areas where you need healing. Allow the healing vortex to expand, and as the energies flow through you, notice your sensations. I will now isolate and identify some of the large industries on the planet. You can picture them in your mind getting highlighted. Pharmaceutical industry, medical and healthcare industries, weapons industries, gasoline industries, agriculture and food industries, recycling and waste management industries, gaming and entertainment industries, and investment, insurance, and financial industries. All over the world, they have been identified. And let's focus on sending healing energies from the healing wish vortex. Notice all those companies and organizations and having the healing vortex flow through them and through all the personnel. In your mind, you can picture emerald green vortex energies spiraling through them. Let's focus on bringing healing into those industries and for the people who are involved in those industries. I will also bring in a lot of transformation energies into all these industries and people. Let's keep breathing in and out, deeply and gently. Let's focus on diffusing and healing any kind of manipulation and hidden energies and agendas. Focus on raising the vibration for collaboration and helping people and Earth. Allow the vortex energies to get even stronger. Allow the energies to harmonize. In the background, I will set up so the process continues for the next 30 days. Let's express our gratitude to all who helped us today. Let's journey back to your present moment. Rub your hands together and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. You can continue to use the healing wish vortex in many different ways. Now use the vortex energies for yourself, for the planet, for the oceans and water bodies, for different industries, and for different causes. Send the energies to areas that need help. Run it for different faiths without judgment. Run it for the entire planet. As we grow and expand our consciousness and bring in a stronger vibration of these energies, we can create the shifts on the planet faster, and we create our inner shifts faster. Okay. So thanks for joining. Continue to play with these energies, and I will see you for day 6.